Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're exploring Ladakh, one of the most beautiful places in India.
You've just landed in Leh, and the first thing that hits you is the landscape. Vast mountains, clear skies, and a calmness that feels very different from anywhere else. But as exciting as it looks, the first thing you need to do here is slow down. Leh is at a high altitude, and your body needs time to adjust to the lower oxygen levels. So, day one is all about rest. After checking into your hotel, take it easy. Sit by the window, look at the mountains, have something warm, and just let your body relax. Body. It might feel like you want to go out and explore immediately, but giving yourself this time will make the rest of your journey much smoother and more enjoyable. On day 2, if you're feeling better, you can step out for some light exploration. Start with a visit to Shanti Stupa. It's peaceful, offers a beautiful view of Leh, and is a perfect place to begin your journey slowly. After that, you can walk through Leh Market. It's a simple experience, but it helps you connect with the local atmosphere. Keep your day relaxed and avoid overexertion. Key here is to move gently and listen to your body. Day 3 is when your exploration truly begins. Start your day with Leh Palace, a historic structure that gives you a glimpse into the region's past and offers a great view of the town below. From there, head to Magnetic Hill, a place known for its unique natural phenomenon where vehicles appear to move uphill on their own. It's a short stop, but definitely an interesting one. Next, visit the confluence of the Indus and Zanskar rivers. You'll notice two distinct colors of water flowing side by side, which makes it a very scenic spot. Continue to the Hall of Fame, a museum dedicated to the Indian Army, where you get to learn more about the region's history and the people who protect it. It's a meaningful stop that adds depth to your trip. End your day with a visit to Spituk Monastery, where you can experience a sense of calm and quiet before heading back to your hotel in Leh. On day 4, you'll head towards Nubra Valley, traveling through Khardung La Pass, one of the highest motorable roads in the world. The journey itself is one of the highlights of Ladakh. As you drive through winding roads surrounded by snow-covered peaks, you'll realize how unique this region is. Once you reach Nubra Valley, visit Diskit Monastery, known for its large Buddha statue overlooking the valley. It's a peaceful place with wide open views. Later, head to Handar, where you'll find sand dunes set against a mountain backdrop, something you don't usually expect to see in such a cold region. If you wish, you can also try a camel ride here. By evening, return to Leh and take some rest after a long but memorable day. Day 5 is often considered the highlight of the entire trip. Early in the morning, you'll begin your journey to Pangong Lake via Changla Pass. It's a long drive, but the moment you see the lake, it feels completely worth it. Pangong Lake is known for its stunning shades of blue, which change throughout the day depending on the light. Surrounded by mountains and silence, it's a place that feels calm and almost unreal. Spend some time here, take in the views, and simply enjoy the moment. After that, you'll begin your journey back to Leh, carrying with you one of the most memorable experiences of the trip. Day 6 is more relaxed and focused on culture. Start by visiting Thiksi Monastery, which is known for its beautiful architecture and peaceful atmosphere. Then head to Sheh Palace, a historic site that reflects the royal past of Ladakh. Continue to Hemis Monastery, one of the most important monasteries in the region, known for its cultural and spiritual significance. By afternoon, you'll return to Leh. You can spend the rest of your day exploring the local market, picking up souvenirs, or simply relaxing at a cafe. It's a good time to slow down, reflect on your journey, and enjoy the final moments of your trip. On day 7, it's time to leave Ladakh. As you pack your bags and head to the airport, you'll realize that this journey was more than just a vacation. It's about the experience, the calmness, and the connection you feel with nature. Even after you leave, the memories stay with you, the mountains, the silence, the unique landscapes, and the peaceful moments. Ladakh doesn't just impress you, it stays with you long after the journey ends.